southbound on Lakeshore Drive on navigation on autopilot in the Model 3. Normally, always as you approach Belmont from either direction and Fullerton from either direction, navigation on autopilot automatically turns off. I have enhanced autopilot, so it just switches to enhanced autopilot as you pass over the Belmont and Fullerton. So, and then it re-engages it just after the off ramp. So at this point, it's re-engaged. So I'm back on navigation and autopilot, and I have a nav to get off at LaSalle Street. So the car just made it maneuver over on its own in navigation and autopilot into this lane. It's making its move over to get off at LaSalle Street. It's going to do it again up here. For me, it's too soon. I don't like to be in the right lane as I pass the on-off ramps at Fullerton. So I do get a warning right about this point that navigation and autopilot is going to turn off. I believe it was off. So when I'm in this lane, I want to get back over one lane to go by Fullerton. And I thought I was on enhanced autopilot at this point. So I turned on the signal to go to the next lane. The car actually right here, it will quickly take 2 lanes. And I thought I was on enhanced autopilot, and it would never do that. It would only go over 1 lane. So honestly, I believe what happened here, navigation and autopilot hadn't automatically just switched off yet. I was still on it when I signaled that maneuver, and I was set at 50 miles an hour. So it detected that car was going too slow, so it went ahead and took the next lane. I don't have it set on max. I had it set on average. But initially, I thought it did this on enhanced autopilot, when in fact, I don't think it did. But I've never had the car jump 2 lanes, ever. It's the first time I've seen this in a year and a half of having this car. But I believe that's what happened. Anyway,